AWS CodeDeploy is a fully managed deployment service that automates software deployments to a variety of compute services, such as Amazon EC2, AWS Fargate, AWS Lambda, and your on-premises servers. It eliminates the need for error-prone manual operations. You can deploy a nearly unlimited variety of application content, including code, AWS Lambda functions, web and configuration files, executables, packages, scripts, and multimedia files. AWS CodeDeploy can deploy application content that runs on a server and is stored in Amazon S3 buckets, GitHub, or Bitbucket repositories. AWS CodeDeploy makes it easier for you to rapidly release new features. It helps you avoid downtime during application deployment and handles the complexity of updating your applications. The service scales with your infrastructure and match your deployment needs. Here are the key benefits. Automated deployments. AWS CodeDeploy fully automates your software deployments, allowing you to deploy reliably and rapidly. You can consistently deploy your application across your development, test, and production environments. Centralized control. AWS CodeDeploy allows you to easily launch and track the status of your application deployments through the AWS Management Console or the AWS CLI. CodeDeploy gives you a detailed report allowing you to view when and to where each application revision was deployed. You can also create push notifications to receive live updates about your deployments. Minimize downtime. AWS CodeDeploy helps maximize your application availability during the software deployment process. It introduces changes incrementally and tracks application health according to configurable rules. Software deployments can easily be stopped and rolled back if there are errors. Easy to adopt. AWS CodeDeploy is platform and language agnostic. It works with any application and provides the same experience whether you're deploying to Amazon EC2, AWS Fargate, or AWS Lambda. You can easily reuse your existing setup code. CodeDeploy can also integrate with your existing software release process or continuous delivery toolchain, for example, AWS Code Pipeline, GitHub, and Jenkins.